Hi everybody, welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bechamel sauce from a simple plain white sauce. One of the easiest things to do is basically create a white sauce, introduce some cheese to it, and before you know it, it's a bechamel sauce. That's how simple it is. However, it depends on the cheese. I mean, there are many different white cheeses you can use, but for me and my family, cheddar is not as strong, but a medium cheddar turns out and works well for us. So I'm going to show you now how to make a bechamel sauce, and later on I'm going to divide these into two different batches and freeze them for the kids, who can then use them on chicken pasta. You can put it on top of your lasagna or moussaka, and it turns out a treat. Okay. Welcome back. So I've got my white sauce, and the white sauce is quite thick, and the reason why I keep it thick is so that I can then reduce or basically turn it into as liquidy or thick as I want by just introducing milk. So I'm just going to start heating this up, and I'm going to use this just for a bechamel sauce, and I'm making it so that the kids can just warm up some chicken and then introduce some bechamel to it with some pasta or anything else that they want, and then it's available and ready in the freezer for them to use anytime they want. So as I'm introducing more milk, it'll thin out. Oops. Once it's heated up to a certain temperature and thickness that I want, I'll just start introducing the cheese. Now, it's very important to know that what type of cheese to use. I'm just using regular cheddar, so it's heating up. So my white sauce has come to a point where it's nice and hot. And all I'm going to do now is introduce cheese into it. What I would advise you to do, I either switch the hob right off or bring it down to a very low temperature. And if your white sauce should be warm enough so that the cheese should just literally dissolve in it, which I'm going to do now. Give it a quick whisk, and that cheese should now dissolve into the white sauce to make a bechamel sauce. I'll finish up here, and I'll see you later. Take care. Bye for now.